Get rich and how you can apply them in your life. Starting with tiny habit number 1, look at your money daily. Every day I get an email for all of my companies called Daily Cash Report, and it includes all the balances, all the credit cards, all my accounts, the transactions for the previous day, because I want to get a sense of the heartbeat of cash flowing through my businesses. I want to be aware what you focus on expands. If you don't know how much cash is being generated in your bank account in your businesses, then how can you give it the right attention? I call it the 24-hour rule. You should be checking your money every 24 hours. Don't hide from it. Don't pretend like you don't want to see it. I don't want you to go to the ATM machine to find out you don't have enough money to pull money out because you're not aware. Have the app on your phone, check it often. If you don't like the number, make it better. Which brings us to tiny habit number 2, value your time. If you don't value your time, no one else will. You'll be upset that people are taking advantage of you, asking you to do favors and never returning it in the first place. Rich people say no more than they say yes, because a yes is a no to their future and a no is a yes to their goals. What do you want to create in the future? It's actually okay to be a little selfish to create a better scenario for who you are and what access to resources you have so you can be richer, so you can be more for people in the future. Which brings us to tiny habit number 3, set clear goals. When I started my first company that succeeded, Spheric Technologies, I read a book called Good to Great, and it said you have to have a vision for your life. So I sat down and I created a vision. 5 years, 5 continents, 50 million in revenue, 50 people. I don't even know where it came from. It sounded good. Did I get to that level in 5 years? No. Just shy though, and that was the business that made me a multimillionaire. What I had was clarity and focus. See, a goal properly set is half complete. Most people just don't write it down. Without a deadline, that goal is just a dream. So I use this thing called the rule of 300 to help me hit my goals. It's all about having 100% clarity, 100% belief, 100% of the time. If you do that, you'll hit your goal. Which brings us to tiny habit number 4, review your goals daily. Every day I use triggers. When I sit at my chair in the morning, when I'm doing my morning routine, or I get in my car, or I come to my desk at my office to remind me to review my goals that are on my phone. So it's literally pinned at the top of my notes file, and they're my 12 power goals for the year. And most people set goals and don't review until the end of the year, and they realize they either hit them or didn't hit them. It's like business plans. They usually write them and then stuff them in a drawer. I review my goals 3 times a day. The way I make it easy on myself is I just connect it to a trigger. It literally activates this thing called your reticular activating system to help you scan the world for opportunities to make that a reality. It's like when you're thinking of buying a new car, let's say a red Volkswagen, and for the longest time you didn't see any other red Volkswagens. All of a sudden you can't stop seeing them all over the place. Why? Your brain is on the search of red Volkswagen, so you'll see them all over the road. Which brings us to tiny habit number 5, automate your savings. My philosophy is very simple. I want to set it and forget it. I want to make the decision when I'm feeling good about life and then never revisit it. Even though I live off 10% of my income, most people should follow the 50-30-20 rule, which is 50% of their income goes to what they need, 30% goes to what they want, and the other 20% should go to savings. What I do pretty much every week is any extra cash in all of my companies gets swept out, put into my holdco, and then my holdco automatically invests it in the portfolio I've already decided. So I either do high risk stuff in private equity, or I do low risk stuff in index funds in the public markets, but I don't want to think about it. I want to set it and forget it. Which brings us to tiny habit number 6, avoid bad debt. Bad debt is high interest debt. This is consumer debt, hard money lending. I remember when I was starting off, I had to buy some furniture and I thought I'd be like the cool guy and go get an apartment and finance a bunch of furniture because they said it would cost me nothing, no interest payments for 3 years, until it did. And that interest payment plus the fact that it took me a few more years to pay it off cost me more than double of just buying the furniture outright at the beginning. And did I need that at 20 years old? No, I was being silly. Lenders have an incentive to take advantage of you. It's why most credit card companies try to get you some kind of credit early on. I'm talking college campuses. It's wild. You should only take on debt for things that can make you money. Think real estate, think business investments, think investing in yourself where you can get an ROI by investing in the SME 500, not the S&P 500. It's all about short-term leverage. Don't make other people rich off of borrowing money from them. Which brings us to tiny habit number 7, exhaust the body, tame the mind. At 11 years old, I got diagnosed with ADHD and it messed me up. I was taking Ritalin and Adderall and all these pills to try to make me normal, but I never felt normal when I was taking those pills. I actually liked who I am. What I had to do was figure out how to be me without the medication. A big part of that is going to the gym. That's why I say every day I go to the gym to work on my mind. Yes, it has a physical value to doing that, but if I don't go, I can't think, I can't focus, I can't get things done in my day. Which brings us to tiny habit number 8. Use your feed on social media to feed your mind. The other day, my son's friend came over after school and he was asking me how I deal with being distracted from things like girls and TikTok. And I was laughing because I said, I actually scroll TikTok 2 hours almost every day. The difference is what's on my feed. I like to use my social media to teach myself things, to micro learn, to use it almost like a social university. So what I do is I'll search for topics I want to learn about and then go look at those videos and leave comments on the videos that are good. And then adjust my feed. That's how I use my feed to feed my mind. Which brings us to tiny habit number 9. Read 10 pages a day. The other day I was at the gym and some kid asked me, what's the number 1 habit millionaires have? And the truth is, out of all of them I had to pick from, it's got to be reading. The reason why is that nobody knows how to do the thing they're about to do the first time they do it. And the best way to avoid all the pain of trying to do it through trial and error is to read books. My life was built by books. I've read over 1,600 books. I actually did a video on it. You can go search for it. But the whole premise is that every philosophy, idea, process, habits was all inspired by other people much smarter than me that have lived a big life and mastered skills, and then were sharing everything they learned for $25 and a 6-hour investment of my time. I think it's the best trade in the world. Which brings us to tiny habit number 10. Wake up early. A lot of people talk about getting up early, but let me tell you why. A lot of people sleep in because they stay up late. What I do is I set an alarm to go to bed on time. And that 5 a.m. club, that's cool, but what you learn over time is 4 a.m. is even cooler. And the reason why is between 3 and 6 a.m. is where it's said to have the thinnest veil to the spiritual realm. So it's not just about getting up early to get work done. It's also about being connected to your creator, connected to the universe, taking advantage of the inspiration and ideations that will come to you at the quiet in the morning. It's a beautiful thing. Some of my best ideas have come from that. Instead of setting an alarm for what time to wake up, set an alarm for what time you go to bed. When people see me get up at 4 a.m., they think it's impressive, but it's not that impressive knowing my alarm went off at 9 p.m. to go to sleep. I've been sleeping for 7 hours. Which brings us to tiny habit number 11, invest in your environment. 4 years ago, I was renting a house and I was there for 6 months, and the office had this beautiful window, but it was directly in the sunlight where I couldn't see anything. And I decided within the first few days to hire a sign company to come put a film over the glass. And when my wife heard about it, she thought, that's crazy. Why would you spend $1,200 to get the glass covered so that you can stay in that spot? And I was like, I don't want to move my desk. I like the energy of this space, this environment, and I'm willing to spend $1,200 so I can be in the energy of the vibe. And it's funny, I see people make this mistake all the time. They spend most of their time at their desk and they don't have a great chair. They don't have great monitors. They have invested in keyboards. They have invested in the tools. Maybe it's the camera. Maybe it's the ring light. Whatever would make your work environment feel fun is something I'm a big fan of investing in. Which brings us to tiny habit number 12, follow one course until successful. That's what focus stands for. See, the richest people in the world do one thing, they just do it for 20 years. They go all in and dedicate themselves to a decade. They don't get distracted. They don't have 3 businesses with one making some profit and the other 2 being unprofitable. They don't diversify earlier on because diversification is divorcification. If you want to create wealth, you have to be concentrated. So don't be easily distracted. Pick something and decide to be a master at it. Which brings us to tiny habit number 13, protect your space. Words matter. What you hear matters. I'm a big fan of turning off the news, cutting out toxic friends, curating my feed to show me opportunity and possibility. At the end of the day, the quality of your inputs will determine the quality of your output. You have to protect yourself from the things you're being exposed to. Which brings us to tiny habit number 14, stop asking for money. There's this great Pitbull song that says, ask for money, get advice, ask for advice, get money twice. And that to me is how I live my whole life. Most people are asking for money from investors and friends and family. Why don't you ask for advice? And what happens is when you do that, the person tells you all the things that would need to be true for them to be excited about it. And you just get really good at agreeing with them. And next thing you know, instead of just getting advice, you'll actually get money. Which brings us to tiny habit number 15, live below your means. Being wealthy isn't a number, it's actually a ratio.
What happens behind the scenes when Elon Musk tweets?
Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to this presentation of RainBnB. First of all, I want to warn you or ask you to forget everything that you have heard before or learned before from any other platform you have been involved in with. So, because RainBnB is totally different, although it might look similar, but please take my word that it is totally 100% different. Do not compare it to any other platform. So if you concentrate and we go through this presentation quickly, you'll find out why do I say that. Just a little bit background about myself. My name is Johan Botha. I'm from South Africa. I joined RideBnB last year, September. And since then, they have transitioned to RainBnB. The platform RideBnB is still carrying on. Just RainBnB was introduced in January. And it's just for us, or for me at least, it's bringing more bonuses and more income for me and myself and the whole team. So let's have a look at why do I say, or we say that you need to join RainBnB, and that it will set you financially free if you focus on that, as we heard in that segment before the presentation started. We need to be focused. So everybody in life wants to be successful. There's nobody here, even on this call, that does not want to be successful or that wants to fail in life. Most people wants to be rich, successful, and famous. So I don't think everybody wants to be famous. But I think if you become rich and successful, the fame will follow eventually. But that is up to each and everyone's own prerogative and what they want to achieve in life. But sadly, research has shown that all over the world, only 97% of people remain mediocre or average in life. And only 3% of the people worldwide will really attain or achieve wealth and success. So what we are aiming to do here, or what we need to do, is to change this number of 97%, to make that lesser and to make the 3% much bigger. And I believe that each and every person can achieve what they want to achieve. If you can put your mind to it, and you can. Most of us need finances, and that is, most people link success to financial status and wealth. So let's have a look at how can RainBnB set you up for financial success and definitely assist you in a financial way. All right. Most people, the reasons for failure is because, especially in this industry, in the extra income platforms or money-making platforms, they fail to seize the right opportunity at the right time, and they have a lack of trust and transparency because of experiences from the past where people have failed them, where platforms have failed them. And I want to add there where the owners of those platforms have failed millions of people worldwide already. And we know about them, we see them popping up each and every day, a new one comes up. But that's another reason why people do not want to join these things, because there's an absence of genuine and legit system. Now I can give you my word that this is a genuine and a legit system. And you will see in the following slides why do I say that. All right, they also have a lack of burning desire. I mean, that must come from yourself. You must decide where you want to be in life. You must decide what you want to attain and how much success do you really want and need. Because each person's needs is different. One person might want to be a millionaire. The other one just wants to survive and live a comfortable life and don't have all the stress and the worries about finances and so on. So that will be determined by your own personal background and situation. Now we have the perfect solution for each and every person on this earth to become financially successful. All right. As I said now, your life goals, your income, and even if you want to achieve greatness, and if you are passionate about any of these objectives, we have the solution for you. We know that you can do anything in this world, but most of the things, well, basically everything costs you money. You want to go and travel, you need money. You want to go on a holiday, you need money. You want to enjoy luxury things, you need to buy it with money. And this is a sure way for you to increase that income and to do whatever you want, to get you more time freedom and do more for your family and your loved ones and for yourself as well. So we will present to you a once in a lifetime opportunity where you can earn exceptional income. Now just look at this word lifetime. It's not just a once in a lifetime opportunity. It is a opportunity for a lifetime, not just a long-term platform. This is a platform for a lifetime. So here you will be able to earn exceptional income that most people, the average person on earth, can only dream of or hasn't even seen or heard of before. And really, you think it is impossible, but remember, it's only impossible until it's done. Then it will be possible for each and every one. So you can decide if you want to work on this full-time or part-time. That decision is up to you. But if you follow the basic steps of this smart contract and you meet the requirements of a smart contract, then you will make a success of it. So this is a cutting-edge 21st century business model, and it creates a win-win situation for everyone that joins or is involved in this. Right, let us have a look at this electrifying world of RainBnB, also called RideBnB version 2.0, a pioneering community building platform on the OPBNB blockchain network. And I just want to warn you beforehand that if you do not have any crypto experience, do not worry about that. You don't need that experience. Everything will be taught to you and you will learn everything. There is training sessions each and every day, the same time, the same link. There's many team members and leaders that can assist you. You do not have to be a financially educated or a crypto fundi or educated about that. Everything is available to everybody worldwide. Obviously, crypto is legal in most countries at this moment. There's a few countries where it's not legal, but obviously then it won't work there. But this is a global opportunity where we empower communities and we revolutionize the future for each and everyone that is part of this. So that's the overview. Just a little bit about RainBnB. It has been established by a team of experts from Europe and Russia, and they are experts in blockchain and AI, artificial intelligence. So everything is managed and run on a blockchain, which cannot be changed. And we know that this is the future, and everything is changing as we progress in life, and especially on the field of technology. It's changing very fast. We know how quickly you buy a phone this year. In a month or two, it's already basically outdated and there's a new one on the market already. Now, that's just a simple example that I'm taking. So the mission is to foster a collaborative environment where individuals can unite, grow, and thrive together to unlock limitless potential on a fully decentralized smart contract platform. Now, take notice of this word, decentralized. This is very important because this is one of the reasons why people do not trust platforms and programs, because they are centralized. They are managed by an owner or one person or one management group. And that is not, you cannot trust that. This is totally decentralized. It's fully decentralized, and you'll see in a moment why do I say that. And it's managed by the smart contract. There's no human intervention here except for you to register and to upgrade. That is the only human intervention that you have with the platform. The rest is everything is managed by the smart contract on the blockchain. Okay, so we see here that there's where the ownership and governance are firmly in the hands of community members. So the community decides how they want to work on this. You decide where you want to go with this. Nothing can stop it. There's no person in control, or there's not a CEO or an owner of this company, because the smart contract was the ownership has been renounced. It's a decentralized smart contract on the blockchain, and no one can change it. Not even the developers can change the smart contract. They'll have to rewrite a whole new one if they want to change something. But as it is at the moment, there is nothing that can change this. And that's another point that you need to remember, and you must definitely look at that and consider that to be a big trustworthy point. So let's look at the evolution of currencies and finances. And if we go back to history, our parents and their parents, grandparents, they started with the bartering system where people exchanged goods for whatever they wanted or needed. And then things evolved, and they started to develop gold, silver, and livestock to exchange for goods that they need. Then obviously metal coins came into the economy, and then it evolved to paper money and plastic money, and we all know about paper and plastic money. But today I asked on another presentation people, when last did you see people carrying cash anymore? Because that is busy to disappear from our wallets. But it has been replaced by a digital card, plastic money, which you can just swipe and you still have your money. It's just a different form of money. Now, the same way that the plastic money is just a different form of money. So by the dawn of 2010, around 29 or 2009, the Bitcoin was saw the light, and it was launched as a digital cryptocurrency. So yes, many people are still not up to date with that, and that is the future. Decentralized finance is the future. So we can see here that it started from bartering, then to banknotes, then to Bitcoin. And many people are still skeptic about cryptocurrencies, and they have heard stories from somebody telling someone else a story way back then, and they still believe that. But things are changing, times are changing. Most countries have adopted cryptocurrencies. There's lots of examples. We know already what happened in America with President Donald Trump, and the United States has got a huge Bitcoin reserve that they are busy setting up at this moment. And we know that the US is basically the financial capital of the world, and therefore we need to increase our education and our experience with cryptocurrencies, right? Because everything is going digital. You see most adverts and banks, they're always all going there. All right, now the next thing is a decentralized smart contract that I spoke about you already. Yeah, the word is again decentralized, which is very important. What is a decentralized smart contract platform? It's based on the blockchain system, and that enables the creation, execution, and the management of the smart contract in a decentralized manner. So as I said, the smart contract is managing each and every transaction on this platform. The smart contract is a digital agreement which has been written with codes on the blockchain, and those codes cannot be changed. And they automatically perform actions when predefined, another word to remember and to watch out for, predefined conditions are met. And that eliminates the need of the middleman or intermediaries. Now, I like to use the word the requirements of the smart contract also for predefined conditions. So if you meet any of the requirements of the smart contract, which we will get to later on, the contract reads it and it knows it must pay you immediately. If I say immediately, it's immediately. You don't have to wait a month, a week, a day. It's within a second you get paid directly to your wallet that you connected to the smart contract. Right, so RightBnB or RainBnB leverages the power of smart contracts to enhance the decentralized ecosystem. And by doing that, it fosters trust, it builds your trust, and it enables smooth, efficient interactions between all the members. So the smart contract, there's no emotions involved. It doesn't look for who does this wallet belong to. It just pays. There's no questions asked. If the requirements are met, there's payments are done immediately. So that is another thing because another plus point for decentralized platform like RainBnB. There's no human emotions involved because we know that we cannot trust humans at the end of the day. All right, now what is the mission and the vision of RainBnB? That is to empower and unite individuals through this decentralized community building platform, which is called RainBnB, by leveraging smart contracts to facilitate transparent interactions and mutual benefits. So in short, we encourage each other and we build each other up financially and support each other financially globally. This is a global platform. So you only need an internet connection to work on RainBnB, to work on this platform. All right, and the vision of RainBnB is to become the leading platform that revolutionizes community engagement and driving collective success and innovation in a decentralized ecosystem. All right, so we know about millions of other platforms and programs that is getting advertised each and every day. I get 10, 20 of them sometimes in a day, and I have to put them aside. My focus is on RainBnB. So the vision of RainBnB is to become the leading platform that everybody in the world needs to join. And yeah, you've seen the reasons why already. So the core motto of RightBnB is empowering each through a global reach. As I said, there's no borders here. There's no only thing that you need is an internet connection and a Web3 wallet that connects to the smart contract. All right. So what does RainBnB do? It's a fully decentralized autonomous platform. It operates seamlessly on the OPBnB network. All right, again, here the word decentralized is very, very important. Then, excuse me, the next word is autonomous. There is no personal identification details that you give when you register. That is why it's called a decentralized platform. When you register, you do not use your name, telephone number, email address, or anything like that personally. Everything is connected to your wallet, a Web3 wallet on the blockchain. All right, it operates seamlessly. There is no glitches in the system. That's why they also opt for the OPBnB network. We will talk about that now in a couple of seconds. And as a pioneering community-driven initiative, it merges earning opportunities with empowerment, offering a range of applications and utilities for the future. There is also big plans for the future, and that we'll talk about that at the end of this presentation now. So we are transforming the landscape of the decentralized incentives by providing unparalleled rewards. Another word to focus on, unparalleled rewards. As I said in the beginning, the numbers might look very impossible for you, but believe me, it is possible. It is attainable, and many members are attaining and achieving this each and every day. It is only impossible until it's done. Remember that. And also it benefits the community by remunerating the members in BNB, Binance Coin. That is the currency that this platform is using and which they opt for to use It's not a new token that has been launched or must still get market value or leverage. It's nothing like that. BNB is the world's fifth largest or strongest cryptocurrency at this moment, and you can go and look that up on CoinMarketCap as well. Binance ecosystem, why did they choose this? It's, as I said, it's the fifth largest cryptocurrency in the world, or strongest in the crypto in the world at the moment. Bitcoin number one, Ethereum two, USDT number three, and then XRP is number four, and then BNB is number five. Solana is number six. Right, so it runs with the big dogs. There's no new coin that must still get market value or leverage here, or popularity. BNB is already well known throughout the whole world, and it's used by many platforms. It's also linked to the world's largest crypto exchange platform, which is called Binance, and most of you must know about Binance already. It's available in most countries, all right, and that includes the network of OPBNB. OPBNB network is a new network that they issued or launched in 2023, and for the following reasons. And those reasons are that it makes transactions much faster and much cheaper. Because previous smart contracts, the gas fees or the transaction fees gets too high, it gets too much. And at the end of the day, they have to abandon the thing or stop it because of the transaction fees that gets too high. Or when you use OPBNB network, the transaction fees stays a standard fee and it's very small. It is almost next to zero, and it will stay like that forever while you're using this network. Right, it helps users to develop and interact with the BNB chain, the Binance Smart Chain, more efficiently. Right, this is just a different network for BNB that you use because it's much faster and it can handle up to 10,000 transactions per second with much lower fees, which makes the transactions faster and cheaper. And there's another words to look out for. You do not have to call someone and to ask them to pay you or to send a request for your withdrawals. There is nothing like that here. This is totally different. You do not have to even worry about your wallet disappearing or anything like that. The transactions is instant. All right, and this improves decentralized applications and decentralized finance performance. This network, obviously, and it maintains the security of the Binance Smart Chain protections. The main benefits is the low gas fees or low transaction fees and the high speed of the transactions. So keep that in mind as well. Other coins, especially Bitcoin, there have been improvements, but some networks it takes very long for transactions to go through. This is very convenient, and most members will tell you that the transactions are instant. All right, so why did we choose BNB? As I said, it's the fifth largest cryptocurrency in the world. The market cap is exceeding $100 billion. Its current value is still under $1,000. So currently, today, it's around $580, $590 per one BNB. So you can work that out in your local currency where you are at this moment, or in which country you are staying, or which you are using which currency. So there is still a huge potential for growth, significant growth in the coming years as this is getting more leverage into the market according to market experts, and obviously as the future price grows and the demand for BNB. And we've seen what happened the last couple of months or even years with cryptocurrencies. The adoption of crypto worldwide is growing all over the place. And people are changing their stories from a couple of years ago where there was lots of theories and stories that people made up because they are afraid. They do not know how it works. They do not know what it is because it looks impossible for them. But We need to educate our members, our fellow countrymen, and the people worldwide as well. So it is a real thing. It is here, and it will stay here. The future price of BNB could rise between $4,000 and $10,000 within the next 2 to 5 years. And many market analysts predict that Bitcoin will, not Bitcoin, BNB will reach at least 1,000 within the next 2 years. $1,000 per one BNB. And you will see now how much BNB you can accumulate within Rain BNB as well. And it's relatively easy. It's not that difficult. Right. Now, what is the salient features of this platform, or the most important features of Rain BNB platform? As I said already, there's no ownership control. Nobody controls this. There's no one person or one authority in control of this platform. The smart contract manages everything that is got to do with the transactions. And remember, that's the main thing we need to focus on. You and I want to make money. We need to have a system that we can trust. We do not want to trust a management team or an owner or a CEO. Yeah, your trust is in the technology, which cannot fail, which cannot be changed. It is also fully decentralized, and it is blockchain driven. The blockchain cannot be stopped. As long as you have an internet connection, or as long as the internet exists, the blockchain will run. Blockchain cannot be hacked. It's very, very difficult to do that. There's absolute trust and transparency, what I was talking about again. That is the main thing we want when we want to join a platform. You want to make money, I want to make money. We need to have the trust that we know where we send our money, we will get what we are told we will get, if we keep to the requirements, obviously. And there's full transparency in this. It is all transactions are recorded on your wallet, and it's stored on the smart contract on the blockchain. It will be there forever, and you can go back and search for those past transactions. Nothing can be changed, or there's no corruption that can happen here. That's the main thing. You can see exactly how much you got and when you got it, when you received it. And then, as I said, it's an unchangeable system. Another word for that is immutable system. Nobody can change the smart contract. Nobody can change the way that it must pay out. No one can change the compensation plan. If the code is written in that specific way that it must pay you when these requirements are met, it will pay you when those requirements are being met. Nothing can change it. And that is very important to remember. It's unchangeable by anybody. And as I said, not even the developers can change this. They have to rewrite a whole new contract if they want to make any changes. But then even if they do that, this specific smart contract will still carry on working for a lifetime. And it will operate in exactly the same way it was written. Right, there's instant payouts. As I said already, there is no request or withdrawal request that anybody has to make. When a person presses the register button or the upgrade button, that money gets dispersed immediately. And there is no money is kept by nobody. Not even the smart contract is keeping the money. You can also see on the smart contract, the balance is always zero, and it will stay zero until the end of time. That's another thing to remember. Where does the money go to? The money gets dispersed or distributed immediately to the qualifying members, which meets the requirements of this smart contract. All right, and as I said already, it's got a global reach, and it's legal in most countries. Last count was over 110 countries that are in Rain BNB already. It might have been increased since then. I'm not 100% sure about that. Okay, there's autonomous operations. You do not know who's paying you, and you don't know where your payments goes to. As I said, there's no personal details that is required to register on here. And then another thing, it's totally 100% risk-free and liability-free. Why do I say it's risk-free? because there is zero money that is being kept by any person or by the smart contract, which can be stolen or which can somebody can take. There's no reason for them to stop it or to take the money because they cannot take it because it gets distributed immediately to all the qualifying members. And that's another big plus point that people must definitely consider when they want to do their own research. There's zero risk involved here. And you might think if you pay the registration fee, that is the risk. Yes, I understand what you mean, but the risk here is if you can lose the money, you cannot lose the money. That's the main thing to remember. Even if nothing happens, then you will still have access to your account and you can still get the benefits if you meet the requirements of a smart contract. All right, it's liability free. There is no liability, there's no overheads to cover. And as we've seen, you can work on it full-time, part-time. There's no overheads to cover, no rent to pay, no office to keep up, no employees to pay. You work this on your own. And what you need is internet connection, basically. That will be your overhead. So there's no extra add-ons. You do not have to rent an office or a space or whatever. Everything is free in this platform. There's no products to sell as well. The product, many people ask, what is the product? The product is BNB, the cryptocurrency itself, because we accumulate BNB in this platform. We do not buy it, we accumulate. We make BNB. All right, it's a community building platform and it's a credentials building concept as well. Most of us that has been involved in previous platforms are experienced with the feeling that one morning you wake up and you see the website is off or it doesn't work or it has closed or you have made a withdrawal request and there's 10,000 excuses why they cannot send your withdrawal to you. And that tarnishes your reputation. And it takes years, weeks, months for you to get your reputation back and the trust and belief of your team members or your community. In ReinBNB, you will not even need to worry about that. Your credentials or your reputation will definitely not take a knock because this platform cannot disappear. The smart contract will keep on running until the end of time. That is the main points to remember. Now, how do you start in ReinBNB? After that being said, what is the main points to remember of ReinBNB? How do you get started? How do you participate in this? First of all, we have to look for, if you want to become an internet entrepreneur in ReinBNB, this program will pave the way for your success and your growth. So moreover, there's lots of learning resources and guidance that is available to you that will ensure that you become a successful entrepreneur in this field and with ReinBNB. There's 4 steps to follow for you to get started. First of all, you will need to download a Web3 wallet. Any Web3 wallet of your choice which supports the OPBNB network. So we know of many Web3 wallets, but not all of them supports OPBNB network yet. We'll get to the suggestions in a second. All right, then your step 2, you need to set it up, obviously, for the OPBNB network. We know wallets like Trust Wallet, MetaMask, SafePal, and Token Pocket are very much used and popular wallets these days. Most of the people have them. You can even use Binance Web3 wallet, but I do not have experience in that. That is available. So any Web3 wallet that supports the OPBNB network can be used for registering or connecting to this smart contract. All right, then you fund your wallet with the minimum. This is the minimum amount of the joining fee, the registration fee, and that comes to around $3 in US dollars, and that is not a big amount to join off if you compare it with your other programs where you have to fork out minimum maybe $10, $20, $50 or $100 or even $500 or $1,000 or much more. and then you never see it again, if you are lucky. But here you can start from as low as $3, and this is your ticket, basically your key that you open the door to Rain BNB. But obviously, it's not going to stop there, and that $3 will not help you to build an empire for yourself. That's why you need to upgrade yourself and to upgrade your level for you to earn more and more BNB. All right, then you register yourself after your wallet was funded. You register with the referral link from the person who invited you or shared the opportunity with you. And then you ride with the required OPBNB or the BNB on the OPBNB network. Right, you see now what I mean by that. Here is just examples of wallets that people are using. Token Pocket is very popular, but the most popular and user-friendly one is SafePal, the one in the blue on the right-hand corner in the bottom. You can use MetaMask, you can use Trust Wallet, and also OneKey. But SafePal is the most user-friendly and the one that most members are using. Very, very user-friendly. It's very easy to navigate this wallet. Right. It also has much more benefits than the other wallets. Here is some of them. You can connect the hardware wallet for in future when you accumulate a lot of BNBs and you want to store them safely, totally offline, you can load them on your hardware wallet, which you can connect to your SafePal wallet. Right, so the software wallets, those are the wallets that you will download on your phone and on your laptop, the laptop extensions. And then also the security feature of this is very, very good and very high. It's very user-friendly, and it's compatible with most decentralized exchanges and cryptocurrency platforms. It also interacts with Binance. It's got a mini Binance decentralized exchange within SafePal, which you can also utilize in your crypto endeavors. All right. So we said that the startup cost for your first level or your entry, your beginner level, is 0.0044 BNB. That amounts to around $3 or even under $3. It all depends on the market price of BNB at that specific day. So I know when I started last year, September, it was about $2.60. It was like 60 or 45 Rand in South African Rand. And since then, it has gone up, it's gone down, but it's very stable. Today it's around $3 still. So it went up a little bit, the value of BNB, and it's around 60 to 65 Rand, maybe less, to join in just to get your foot in the door, yeah. For you to use that key to open the door, to explore this whole new world of Rain BNB. And here are all the ranks and the levels that you can buy or that you can upgrade to. Excuse me. We have 15 ranks in Rain BNB. So here it's listed. Obviously, your first rank is beginner, not listed here, your beginner rank. Then level 2, 3, 4, you start on influencer, next rank, then achiever, then your ambassador. And as you can see, that the amount of upgrades, the upgrade amount doubles basically for each level. So as the amount doubles for each level, so does the required number of positions that must pay you will double as well. But in saying that, even while everything is doubling, so does your income double as well. So we know that it doubles exponentially, and then that it just starts to steamroll, and then before you blink again, you've got a lot of BNBs in your wallet, and that looks impossible. I mean, if you can, while you're on this meeting, take your calculator and times 54 BNB times 600, and see what there's just a rough estimate, and see where you get to. Some people will not believe that. That is just the cost for you to upgrade, and you will see now what you can achieve with that. So as each level, you move to the next level, you basically double the upgrade fee. It will cost you basically double, but you also increase your potential income. And then the earning program, or there's 6 types of way of bonuses that you can get paid from in Rain BNB. The first one is your referral bonus. And we want to look at that in more details. So you earn a 10% bonus by referring new users from each and every user that you refer. You can refer as many as you like. There is no limit on the number of direct referrals that you can refer with your link. Right, each successful referral will earn you a bonus of 10% of the package value, not only of when they register, excuse me, but also when they upgrade. So you will receive 10% from every time if they upgrade to all these levels. You will still receive 10%. And I think roughly it's between $5,000 and $6,000 if you convert those 10% to dollars that you will receive from one direct member that used your link to register. So that is a very, very, very good income on its own, there alone. And the next one is recurring level bonus. You will see that in Rain BNB, this bonus has been added, which was not available in Right BNB. Here you will receive 1.5% from each level where people registers or where they upgrade. But there is a requirement that you need to meet here. You need to be on a influencer rank yourself. That is the second rank, and you must have 2 directs, which must be on influencer rank as well with you. So you must also be, or you can be higher, but you must have 2 directs. That's the main requirement of the smart contract. For the smart contract to know that it must pay you, you must have 2 direct referrals. And as I always say to people, there's only 2 musts that is required in the NBNB. You must refer to 2 minimum direct referrals at least, and you must upgrade to earn more money or more BNB. All right, so you will get 1.5% from all the levels up until level 15 if you are qualified for this. So even if people on level 15 upgrades, you will still receive 1.5% if you are qualified. If you are an influencer and you have 2 directs who are also an influencer. If you are still on beginner, you will only receive the beginner 10% and the beginner 1.5% when those people register. But that's the important thing of upgrading. Right now, we look at the direct income, your third bonus that you get here in Rain BNB. You will receive 69% of all the people that joins directly on your link, and you will also receive 69 of the upgrade packages cost, and we'll get to that now. So here you can see a table with a quick estimate of how much you can receive. Now, this is not so big. It might be for some people, but this is another way for you to increase your income, to refer more personal directs with your link. And there are more benefits to that in the other bonuses that we'll get to now. And you'll see why it is very highly asked of members to refer more people with their direct link. Right, so you can determine how many people you want to add or register with your link. There's no limits. There's absolutely no limits. Right, then the big money is here on the rank upgrade bonus. So this works out roughly to 69% that you receive from all the upgrades that people are doing in your network. But keep in mind, and this is what people take some time to understand, or they struggle to understand in the first place. On your level, you have two matrices in Rain BNB. You got your level matrix, that is basically your recurring level bonus matrix. This one here, which gives you a 1.5%. And then you have your binary matrix. Now, this upgrade bonuses works on the binary matrix. And there are only 2 positions on your level 1. And normally those are your first two people that register on your link, your 2 directs. They can also be from spillover, but if those two positions are already filled up, then the next people that fall in your network will start falling on your second level where there's only place for 4 people or 4 positions. And those 4 people, when they upgrade to influencers, they will pay you this amount 4 times. And then this will be your net income. So yes, this roughly amounts to about $10, $20 around there. But that doesn't stop there. You need to upgrade. Now this upgrade fees, it goes, it's your second level upgrade bonuses goes up 2 levels. So it's easy to work it out or to remember it. So second level upgrades goes up 2 levels, and those levels goes to you. Those payments goes to you. Your third level, there's place for 8 people. They will upgrade to achiever, then they will pay you from the third level. They will pay you this amount, and when they upgrade, when your third level people upgrades, they will pay you, and the money will go to you. Right, your level 4 people will pay you for ambassador when they upgrade to ambassador, and there are 16 people on your level 4. So here already it starts to look a little bit different and much worth it to do it. Because this roughly amounts to about $160. So you can work that out in your own country currency. So many people are struggling to even earn that type of money in a month, or here you can earn it relatively very quickly. So yes, and that same process will keep on repeating itself, but you need to be upgraded yourself to receive this money. That's another important thing to remember. You need to be upgraded, because if you are, for instance, still on a mentor rank, and the people below you upgrade to champion, or people on your level 7, you will not receive it. You have to be on champion rank or higher to receive of the champion payments from your level 7 in this case. But that's why many people they are requested to start on either mentor, pioneer, or ambassador at least. So it's your choice. It's up to you how much you have available to start with. But the higher you upgrade, the better it is for yourself, for you not to miss any payments, and it will increase the speed of where you will receive funds and money much faster here. So that is a very important point to remember, is to upgrade yourself as soon as possible, as high as possible. Right. Let's just go back here. This is the amount of BME that you can accumulate throughout this whole process on one position only. And that comes to 1.5 million BNB, not $1.5 million, 1.5 million BNB. So you will times that with $600, and then you will get to your amount in US dollars. I don't think many people can even announce the number there. But anyways, that is possible. So remember, nothing is impossible until it is done. So yes, that is achievable, and many people have achieved very far already. There is, I think at this stage, there's one creator already in rank BNB. There's a couple of chancellors and conquerors, emperors from the higher ranks. So let's look at the other ranks. This is the royalty rank bonus distribution. This is another daily passive income that you can receive once you achieve this one of these ranks. Many people they want to aim for icon at least to get there, because they want to receive the passive income here. So take note, obviously the requirement is you excuse me, you need to have 2 directs, and that is compulsory for you to receive the royalty. That is also compulsory for you to receive any payments in rank BNB, that you must have 2 directs directly registered on your link. All right, so you can achieve any of these ranks, but only the highest one will pay you out. And it will only pay you out twice the amount of your total investment, and then it will stop. And then you will go to the next rank, and then it will just continue on like that. All right, so you might also ask, where does the money come from to pay out all these bonuses? Excuse me. The money is already being paid for when you register or when members upgrade. There is a certain percentage already calculated within the smart contract, and it gets distributed to those bonuses for the purpose of paying out these bonuses. That's another question that people are wondering, and where does the money come from for that? It is already calculated within all the payments and transactions that is done. So there's no extra fees that you have to pay for. Once you reach these ranks, the bonuses will start to come automatically because the smart contract knows that you qualified, and then you will receive notification of that in your dashboard, and that you will claim every 24 hours manually in your back office. All right, and that will also go directly to your wallet, not to somebody else, or you do not have to request it. So it gets paid out immediately as well. And there's no other requirements for you to get paid. Once you meet the requirements, it's met, you get paid. There's no questions asked. All right, and there is again, the royalty earnings will only double the amount of the total package amount, or double the amount. And only the highest one will pay you out the royalty. So you might be on Icon, Legend, and all the higher ranks, but only the highest one will pay you the royalty bonus. Now, the last bonus in RainBnB is the lifestyle rewards bonus. This is also a new add-on in RainBnB, which is not in RightBnB. Now, we need to aim for, many of us are aiming for the Prime Club. So this is relatively easy to attain this or to achieve this. You need to be yourself on a director rank, that is your level 8, and you must have 5 direct as champions. So that's another reason for you to add as many more directs as you can or as possible. This club will pay you out once you qualify. It will pay you out 0.5% daily, but it gets paid out to you every week. So you accumulate this money, it gets accumulated in the smart contract, and every week, every 7 days, it gets distributed to the qualifying members only. So you also have to manually claim this in your back office within your connected wallet. Right, then there's the Elite Club. Here your requirement is to be yourself on Conqueror rank, and you must have 3 Emperors as directs. On the next club, it is you need to have 5 Conquerors as directs, and you must be Chancellor yourself. So the 4th Crown Club, you need to have 7 Chancellor that is directs. On 7 directs is on Chancellor rank, and you must be on Creator yourself. So this is the highest rank is Creator, and then Chancellor, you must have 7 directs on Chancellor. Now this might look very, very difficult and impossible, but as I said again, it's only impossible until it's done. All right, and then the last club is Villa Fund or Supreme Club, where you would get 0.15% daily, which is paid out weekly up to the amount of $500,000. I also want to mention that this $3,000 of the Prime Club you do not receive it once off. You will receive that 0.5% daily, which gets paid out weekly up until you receive the total amount of $3,000 in BNB. And then that will stop, or it will cease paying. Then you will go to the next one if you qualify for that, obviously. All right, what I also forgot to mention is that within this decentralization, there is also a decentralized app available for RainBnB as well as for RightBnB. So those apps are not available on any Play Store, like we know, a Google Play Store or Apple iPhone Store. They are specifically made and only available from the official RainBnB Telegram channels. So ask your upline to get hold of it or to download it for you and send it to you. Those applications do not need any website to connect to. And that makes it totally a 100% decentralized platform. So there is no ownership involvement here. And even if the website gets the URLs that we use. Even if they get compromised or you cannot access them, there you can work directly on the blockchain as well. So there's basically no reason that can stop you to work on RainBnB or in RainBnB. Right. Now let's look at the summary of why you need to join RainBnB. Again, fully decentralized. This is the main word you need to focus on and you need to remember. That means there is no central authority. Nobody is in control there. We know what happens with other platforms. We know banks are centralized. We know that in history there's certain banks that have gone down and people have lost huge money. But yes, there is no control in RainBnB. It is also 100% ownership free and it's community driven. So there's nobody in charge that decides what to do. Yourself and your community decides how you operate this platform. Right, it's blockchain based, and as I said, blockchain is very, very safe. Nobody can hack it, nobody can change it. There's been many attempts already, and there's stories, but yes, it is long term and it is sustainable. And this word long term, I want to replace with lifetime. It is a lifetime opportunity. Many of us will pass away on this earth, and this will still carry on. And your children and your grandchildren will still be able to work on it with your account that you registered. That as long as there is an internet connection, obviously. All right, this is a unique business model. As I said right in the beginning, it's totally different from any other platform. There might be similar looking platforms, but believe me, they don't have all the features and the plus points that you need to look at or to consider as in RainBnB. Right, they are transparent. It's and a trustworthy platform. It's 100% complete distribution of the funds. As I said, also even the bonuses, everything is calculated already in all the transactions, and the payouts are instant, and there's no request or no withdrawal request that you need to make. And again, it's an immutable system. You cannot change anything. It's unalterable and unmodifiable. Nobody can do anything, any changes on this platform if they want to. So you can be rest assured that if you meet the requirements of this smart contract, you will get paid. If the people on your level 4 must upgrade to ambassador, you will get paid. No one can change that. Nobody will ever be able to change that. That's where you can know that you will get paid for. If the people on level 7 must pay you for champion, then when they upgrade to champion, they will pay you for champion. And take note that you have to be on that rank, obviously. There's zero risk. Again, as I said, nobody holds the money. The money is not kept in a centralized place or smart contract. It gets distributed immediately. And there's no liability. You do not have to meet any targets or sell any products or sell monthly. There's no monthly targets, weekly targets. You set your own targets for yourself and how much you want to achieve and achieve them. All right, and I also said it can build your credentials, your reputation can definitely benefit from this. All right, and there's no gas fee issue as in other previous smart contract platforms, as we've seen with the OPBME network, and that's why they use it for the low fees, for the speed of the transactions, and that is why they use it. There is no gas fee issue here. All right, now here's the future roadmap of RainBnB that I talked in the beginning about. This is what they are planning. So now they are building up the community. So once the community is built up, they will start releasing these projects. And then you already have your community in place. And this is also very much important to remember. We do not know when or what exactly it's going to be, but it should start rolling out by the end of this year and early next year, as we have heard. Right now, in summary, why do you want? What is the reasons for you to join here? When you join here, you will join a risk-free, a profit-sharing community platform designed to foster global connections and economic independence. Remember the main feature or reason why we want to do this is to be economically, financially independent. And RainBnB is definitely one of those uh, platforms or the only platform that I know of at this moment that will definitely set you free financially. If you meet the requirements of a smart contract, which is not that difficult. All right. And by building a thriving global community, we pave the way for future projects that I will just showed you about now. And that will offer mutual beneficial opportunities and success for each and everyone in the future as well, and also financial growth then. Right, and I thank you very much for your time and your attendance. Thank you very much.
Yes,
Over
Johan,
to
thank
you
you so much
again.
to you. Thank you, Johan, for a wonderful, amazing first time I saw your presentation and it was really overwhelming. I really thank you for this endeavor of yours. And ladies and gentlemen, he's Johan Botha from South Africa, doing very well in RainBnB. And first time I have seen, though I'm sure he's been presenting to his team earlier also, but first time I have seen on this meeting his coming and took the courage to come and present. So it's really nice, and I really would like you to come at least once in a week to present at this point of time to all our people about RainBnB. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot once again, Johan, for coming and sharing your valuable time in presenting this project. So now, ladies and gentlemen, as we all know that RainBnB is really a concept, one must stick to it. There's nothing like RainBnB. I always keep, talking, telling, and vouching all the time that there is no platform like RainBnB, whether it's east or west, RainBnB is the best. And I'm sure the people who have joined first time in this session, they must be having some questions pertaining to the project, the compensation plan, the profits, systems. In this regard, I would request and suggest you to kindly get in touch with your introducer, the person who has invited you for this session, to have more clarity and knowledge about the concerns and questions you have, or maybe you can join tomorrow's training session with the same link, same time, wherein we are going to help you understand your queries and questions in much better and more transparent way. Okay. And in the meantime, since the presentation is over, during the presentation days, we have made a rule that after the business presentation, we would like to invite few people who have joined RainBnB. And if they are interested to share their feelings, experiences, and testimonies before all our, participants, they are most welcome. And in doing so, you can raise your hand. I can unmute you. Else I'll be forced to end this meeting. Over to you guys. If you are really willing to share your testimonies, your experiences, you can raise your hand and I can unmute you to talk about that. Yes, over to you people now. Okay, so no one is willing to share anything? Okay, in the meantime, I have got some, content through the chat box. Boss O, the screen name. Thank you, KK. I appreciate this business presentation second time around and I've gained more insights. And Motalapula Charmaine Gobas. Sorry if I pronounced your name wrongly. Thank you, Mr. Johan. He really liked your presentation. So, Johan, people are really appreciating you. Anyone wants to speak, wants to share something, can speak. Okay. So no one is interested to speak, so it's time. Yeah, Johan is here once again. Yes, Johan, unmute yourself. Okay, raised hand.
Thanks, KK. Yes, I just want to mention that in this last 7 months, I've earned over 17 BNB already, and I started with $2.60. The people mustn't limit themselves and think that if it looks too big, they mustn't look at the big numbers. They must just look at the next two, and they must just concentrate on that. And I say again, it looks impossible until it's done. In
So
the beginning, it took me about 2 weeks to understand this concept and the compensation plan, where the money comes from. But once I understood it, it was just go from there.
yeah,
And people mustn't listen to the naysayers. They must do their own research. They must follow the right presentation. They mustn't go to YouTube because anybody can post anything on YouTube about anything. Go to the right resource. Get your
absolutely.
information at the right place and focus. It is possible if you only put your mind to it. Do not listen to the negative noise out there.
Yeah,
People will try to discourage you, but your trust must be in the smart contract. That must be your main focus. It cannot drop you. It cannot not pay you. It will do what it's designed to do, as long as you have internet connection.
yes, absolutely. Thank you so much, Johan, for coming and sharing once again your, valuable feedback. 17 BNB. It's not a joke, ladies and gentlemen. $10,000. He has joined in the month of September. September to October, November, December, January, February, March, April, 7 months. But we all know that Rain BNB and Ride BNB, we were, having some disruption from 14 December to 16 January. So almost a 1 month we did not work. So in 6 months' time, 17 BNB, close to almost approximately $10,000. It's not a small amount. $10,000. And he mentioned that he started with $2.60. Can you imagine? Can you believe, that you can start a business with just as little as $2.60 and you can earn almost close to $10,000 in 6 months' time? This is unbelievable. But this is the power of Rain BNB, ladies and gentlemen. I would like you to please, think several times before tweeting Rain BNB. It's really a game changer platform, trust me. And if you're really interested, if you're really, want to change your life, this is a platform that can give you all kind of success. This is a platform that can make you rich without having any loss, risk, and liability. So thank you so much for joining, and thanks a lot to Johan for coming and taking this initiative to present the project. Tomorrow is going to be a training session. Do invite all your team members. I'm afraid to inform you that I'm not happy and overwhelmed with the kind of numbers I'm seeing in Zoom. And I would request everyone, if you really want to be interested to be highly successful in this business, if you really want to make the most from this platform, you must join every meeting. You must come for every meeting. You must invite all your team members and the new guest for the business presentation and the training session. This is where you people are really lacking, and because of that, you are not able to capitalize on this system. So I hope from tomorrow onwards, I can see a lot of people coming and joining for the training session as well as the business presentation session. Thank you for joining for today. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. Wishing you a lot of success in your life through BNB in terms of having more and more income, wealth, and you should be financially really stable and, in total control. Thank you so much. Wish you good luck and good day and good night.